Greetings, travelers! We hope you and yours are doing well as we enter August, the 8th month of the year 2021. Thank you once again for taking time out of your busy day to join us right here. As always, my name is Mike, and I'm here to talk to you about the sky. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future videos or our live streams when we go live and do planetarium shows and cover other special events that are astronomy related. In this show, we will talk about the moon phases for the month of August 2021, talk about the planets visible without a telescope, shine some spotlights on both Jupiter and Saturn, and talk about what is possibly the best meteor shower of the year. With all that said, let's get to it. As always, we will begin with our closest celestial companion, the moon. The moon phases for the month of August 2021 will occur on the following dates. Third quarter, August 1st. New moon will be August 8th. First quarter, August 16th. And the full moon will rise August 23rd. Of the 8 planets in our solar system, I'm so sorry, Pluto. There are 5 planets you can see without the need to use a telescope. However, depending on their position in their orbit around the sun and the Earth's position in its orbit around the sun, we might not be able to see them all. For the month of August 2021, you will be able to see all 5 of the naked eye planets throughout the entire month of August to varying degrees. You'll be able to see the planet Mercury very low in the western sky after about the 16th or 17th of August. There's actually going to be a conjunction between Mars and Mercury, very low on the horizon. Both planets very hard to see. Unless you're in the southern hemisphere, it should be pretty easy down there. But if you're in the northern hemisphere, Mercury, and as you can see as we zoom in here a little bit closer, there's Mars. They will be very, very close. You won't be able to stick, if you hold your hand up, you won't be able to fit your finger between the two of them in the sky. They're going to be very, very close. Again, this is in the western horizon, right at sunset on the 18th of August. You will see Mercury and the planet Mars, but again, very, very close to the horizon. Throughout the entire month, however, you will get a wonderful treat. If you like to look at the sunset, you will see the planet Venus shining very, very brightly throughout the entire month. Just after sunset, you'll see it shining brightly in the western sky. Some people call it the evening star. When it's in the evening sky, of course, obviously it's not a star, it is a planet. Stars twinkle, planets do not twinkle. You'll have a spectacular view of both Jupiter and Saturn throughout the entire month. After sunset, they will rise and be visible all throughout the evening, all the way to the dawn, when the sun rises once again. On August 2nd, Saturn will be at opposition, which means it will rise at the same time the sun is setting. It also means that it will be as bright as it can be, making it much easier to spot in the sky, sitting in the constellation Capricorn, in the southeast part of the sky. Should you have a set of binoculars or small telescope, you can always take a look in at this beautiful planet and see the ringed gas giant planet Saturn. Now, of course, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune all have rings, but Saturn's rings are the easiest to see. So if you look at Saturn on the 2nd, you'll see something like this. You'll see Titan, its largest moon, hanging out above it. And again, you see these beautiful, beautiful rings for all to see. Meanwhile, the largest planet of our solar system, the planet Jupiter, will also be at opposition this month. It'll be happening on the 19th of August. You'll see Jupiter hanging out between Capricorn and the water bearer, Aquarius, in the eastern sky. Very, very bright. So please note you'll have Venus shining brightly in the west and Jupiter shining brightly in the southeastern sky. Should you have a telescope or, large set of binoculars, you'll be able to look in, especially on the 19th. You'll see the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, with Jupiter. And you'll see Io is actually going to be very easily seen, creating a shadow on the planet. You'll see the cloud bands of Jupiter, and the Great Red Spot, this huge hurricane-like storm, will be visible. Again, this is on the 19th of August, so don't miss out. Both Jupiter and Saturn, once again, will be visible from sunset all the way to dawn throughout the entire month of August. A meteor shower is a celestial event in which many meteors are observed to radiate or originate from a certain point in the sky. They are often named for the constellation from which they appear to radiate from. One of the most popular meteor showers of the entire year occurs every August. It's known as the Perseid meteor shower. It appears to radiate from a section of the sky designated for the constellation Perseids, the hero. The Perseid meteor shower is caused by the debris left over from comet 109/P, also known as the Swift-Tuttle comet. The Perseid meteor shower begins to pick up mid-July and peaks between August 11th and August 13th. It is best to be up early, we're talking 1 or 2 in the morning, to see the most action coming from this portion of the sky. Again, this is the Perseid meteor shower. And with that, we come to an end of our Skygazing update for August 2021. To learn more about the sky, be sure to tune in to our live planetarium shows. You can see them over on Facebook.com or Twitch.tv or YouTube.com as well. We multi-stream to all 3 websites. Also over on YouTube, you will be able to find an archive of our past live shows, as well as some pre-produced astronomy content. All for your viewing pleasure. Please be sure to check the comment section down below for links to our social media and streaming websites. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Again, please share this video, the channel, and your love of astronomy with others. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. Please be sure to share it, the channel, and of course your love of astronomy with other people. We would love to have more and more viewers and more followers in the future. Take care of yourselves and each other. We hope to see you in our next video. See ya.
Earthshine Education.